Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a video that I really didn't have planned, but it just so happened that it just came to be. So recently, I was on Jeffree Star Cosmetics, as I usually always am, and for the holiday season, they were doing a Jeffree Star Cosmetics 12 days of $12 products, where they are advertising their normally average price products for only $12, okay? And your girl got very excited and I made an order. Now, I just made the order and I was just gonna unbox everything and just keep it to myself, but as I am filming today, this box showed up at my door and I was like, okay, you know what? We're just gonna film a haul video. So that is what this is going to be. We're gonna open up. I'm gonna show you everything that I got. All of this stuff was $12. $12. And the stuff that I got for this price, oh my God, I am shook because we got a lot of cool stuff in here for only $12 and I'm really excited about it. So I have my scissors right here, which, okay. This random side story is ever since I became a dog groomer, I'm so used to holding shears, like scissor shears for hair, that when I go to grab a normal pair of scissors, it's like I don't know how to hold them because I'm so used to holding shears. So every time I grab scissors, I'm like, how do these work? I don't understand. Yeah, we're gonna open this up. I saw that he was doing this on Instagram and he was like, so normally when you would pay $45 for something, you're only gonna get it for $12. And when he said that, I was like, bitch, sign me up. So without further ado, let's dive into this big old box of goodies here and open it up. Just gonna do a quick little haul. I mean, why not? I like doing hauls. I like watching hauls, and I mean, I don't really buy anything else for my life besides Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm really excited because, God, all of this stuff that I didn't normally want to pay like full price for, I got for $12. Like, that's just freaking sweet. I got 6 products. They were all $12, and with shipping and tax and everything, I paid a total of $76. Where in reality, if I paid full price for these items, it probably would be close to $200 worth of stuff. So I think it's a great deal. I'm really excited and happy with everything that I got. So when I open it up, here's what everything looks like on the inside. Oh my gosh, we have so much stuff. There's a lot of glitter everywhere, and it looks like we have some Jeffree Star Cosmetics glitter snowflake tissue paper, which is very cool, but it is very messy, so we're just gonna, you know, try to contain that. First thing that I want to take out and show you guys that I got, I'm so flippin' excited for, because the fact that I got this for $12, I could not freaking believe it. And that is a full-blown makeup bag. It's like travel makeup bags. Now, I do already have one of these. I have the black marble one, and I love it. I use it all the time. Like, if I'm going somewhere, it literally fits all my makeup and then some in it. And I always really liked the mint green makeup bag, and I saw that he had the mint green travel makeup bag for this holiday deal. That's what I got. Oh my gosh. I don't even know if the color is picking up properly on camera, but this is like the most beautiful mint green color, and it is a really decent size bag. It has the little Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo on the zippers here. Oh, I love these makeup bags so much. They are so practical. They're so big. These are normally, I think, like $45-ish, so they're normally pretty pricey. My nose will not stop running, and it is honestly the world's most irritating thing in the world. Okay, so I got all of the little packaging stuff off. So here are what the little zippers look like. Really cute. And it just unzips like this. Take out this little insert. And here's what the inside looks like. It is so bright, like my camera is just washing it out, but this is just pure mint green, and you have so much room in here. You have a little zipper up here for like brushes and pencils. You have little pockets right here where you can put foundations and setting sprays. And then here you can put palettes. You can put whatever you want in here. And just to show you how much room is in here, I'm going to fill this with as many Jeffree Star Cosmetics palettes that I can, just to show you guys how much room is in here, because these are massive. These are so practical, literally so perfect for traveling, whether that be plane, train, automobile. They're fantastic. Inside, I was able to fit one blood sugar palette, another blood sugar palette, and the blood money palette. So literally, I can fit all of those in there and zip it up. So you literally have 3 huge ass palettes worth of space in these makeup bags. That is insane to me. And you even have a little more wiggle room for like your pouch and the zipper here. Like, these are amazing. This is like one of my favorite non-makeup items on Jeffree Star's site. I'm gonna take the sticker off. Yeah. Okay, the next thing that I got in here is just a small item, but I did get another one of the Magic Star setting powders. I do already own this one, and I got the same color, which is beige. I love this setting powder so much. It smells so good, smells like cotton candy, and I really wanted to get a replacement for mine, because even though I still have a decent amount left, I just wanted to get a replacement while I could for only 12 bucks. I grabbed one of these guys, nothing too exciting, just a setting powder. Literally one of the best setting powders I've ever tried. What else did I get? I also got a blood sugar item. Now, I already bought this palette, but I ended up giving it to my sister, so I actually don't have this one. And now that I have this one, I have every single palette that Jeffree Star has ever come out with, and this is just the Blood Sugar Mini. So when he did his Blood Sugar Anniversary collection, he released a white blood sugar palette, which I did keep that one from the collection, and he also released a mini. And my sister wanted the mini, so I gave it to her, and I had to get one for myself, and it was only for $12, so I picked it up. Here is what the packaging for this guy looks like. Here is what the Blood Sugar Mini looks like. Now, a lot of these are already in the Blood Sugar palette, but just for collection purposes, I really wanted to get the mini for my collection because I don't have this one. The one shade that is exclusive to this palette is this middle one, this beautiful red sparkly shade, which is called Wisdom. And I just think that would be so pretty for the holidays. Just like the perfect sparkly red. So I'm really excited that I have this now. Now I officially have every single mini palette that he has ever come out with, and every large palette that he has ever come out with. The other non-makeup item that I got, which I was really excited about, is my favorite product on Jeffree Star Cosmetics are his velour liquid lipsticks. I love his velour liquid lipsticks. They're one of my favorites, and I ran out of room in my lipstick holders for all of them, so I saw for his like $12 gift, 12 days of Jeffree Star whatever gifts, he was selling the velour liquid lipstick holders, a pack of 2 of them, for only $12. Oh my God. For only $12. So that is exactly what I picked up. It came packaged like this in this cute little box formation, and ta-da! Here is what they look like, and these will all fit all of my velour liquid lipsticks. So just to show you what it will look like, just slide them in like that. Oh my God. And I did get the pack of 2 of them because I do have over 40 of his lipsticks, so I definitely wanted to get a pack of 2 so all of mine would fit. Can't wait to sit down and like organize all of my this is gonna be so fun. I'm so glad I got these, and they're just like a beautiful pink sparkly packaging, and it has the Jeffree Star Cosmetics logo on both sides, and it also says Jeffree Star Cosmetics right on the front here, and you can just have them all sitting really nice. This is gonna look so good, so much better than just having lipsticks just strewn about on my desk. And then the very last thing that we have in this box underneath all of the stuff, this is something that I have never owned, something I never bought when it was released, and I kind of always wanted one, but I just couldn't justify spending full price on it because I already have so many highlighters. But this is his highlighter palette, his Artistry Pro, and this is the Platinum Ice highlighter palette. I am so excited to own this. Again, only $12. And I've never seen these in person, and I'm a huge fan of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost formula. It's one of my favorites. The packaging feels so good. So here's what it looks like once you have it all out of the tissue paper. Really nice. Platinum Ice Skin Frost Pro Palette. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Take your glow everywhere. Blind the world. 6 shades. Vegan. Cruelty-free. When applied, glow can be seen from outer space. I'll take it. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. And it's like kind of heavy. Like it's really, really good quality. This is my first pro palette as far as highlighters go. I don't have anything like this. I do have the cavity one, but as far as like his OG highlighter palettes, this is my first one like this. So when you open it up, oh my god, gorgeous. So here is what the Platinum Ice Skin Frost highlighter palette looks like. This is so incredibly beautiful. And the first thing that I'm seeing is there are 2 shades in here that I do already own in like the big pink Skin Frost already. And that's the Ice Cold shade and the Lavender Snow shade. So I do already own those in like the big Skin Frost components, but now I have them again in this palette. All of the other ones I've never seen before. I've never tried before. These look so beautiful. The pan sizes are absolutely ginormous. I cannot wait to dive into this. I absolutely love highlighters. It's like my favorite part of my makeup routine is putting on a highlighter, so I'm really excited about this. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch these and then I'll show you what they look like. Okay, so here are what all 6 shades look like swatched. Oh my god, these are beautiful. His Skin Frost formula is some of my favorites. I like his Skin Frost formula more than the Supreme Frost, Extreme Supreme Frost, or whatever. So the Skin Frost is definitely my favorite. So starting over here, we have Ice Cold, then we have Glacier, Lavender Snow, Alien Ice, Pink Chill, and then this one on the very end, which is Canary Bling. That one is probably my favorite, but all of these are seriously so beautiful, and I can literally see myself using every single one of these colors. Like, the glow is there, the shine is there. Holy crap, these are so beautiful. I love these so much. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I'm just gonna take a fan brush and I'm gonna go into Canary Bling here and just put a little bit of that. Do you guys see? Oh my god, that is gorgeous. Here's what Canary Bling looks like on the face. Oh, look at that shine. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I love that color so much. Definitely probably my favorite out of the whole palette. I also really do enjoy the Ice Cold and Lavender Snow shade, obviously, because I already own those. I think out of everything, this is like one of my favorite things that I got. I'm really glad that I got this. I have no regrets for anything that I got, but this one is probably my favorite. Alrighty, guys, and that is everything that I got so far from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics $12 12 days of holiday gifts. I am over the moon and so happy with everything I got. So incredibly worth it. I'm super pumped. I got a replacement powder. I now have every single one of his palettes. I have the most bomb and amazing highlighter palette. I have a feeling I'm going to be using this a lot in the new year. Like, bitch, look out. I'm going to be shining for miles, just miles to come. I can now officially organize all of my liquid lipsticks, and of course I have a beautiful and cute mint travel makeup bag. I am so excited with everything that I got. Let me know what you guys think. Which product out of here is your favorite? Did any of you guys get any of the $12 holiday gifts? Let me know down in the comments what you guys got. And that is everything that I have for today. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this quick and sweet little haul video. I was not on my list of videos to film, but I figured why not just just put a haul video up because I love doing haul videos, especially when it comes to Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go down and give it a huge thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, please go down and hit that red subscribe button if you would not mind. I upload every 3 to 4 days here. We do a bunch of different content and I would greatly appreciate you guys joining the family. As for the rest of you, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to go play with this stuff. I'm so excited. I'm just like absolutely tickled right now. I love you guys so much, and until then, I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye! Mwah.